Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe today. So today is 6/21/21. This year is going by fast, halfway over. All right, for those of you who enjoy yarn, this would be a good video for you. If you don't, you only want to watch my tutorials, hey, I did put one on yesterday, check that out. Okay, so I got a bit of yarn. It's not really very much, but I thought maybe you would enjoy seeing it, from Little Knits. Now, you know, if you follow me, you know I'm a huge fan of Little Knits. And if you're new, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on this video. Little Knits is an awesome store here in the U.S. where I think it's in Washington, if I remember. And where they have like name brand yarns, like higher end yarns for discounted prices. So I love the store since I found it. It's like I buy from them quite a bit. So enough. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, first off, I got this yarn. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but it's called Feza, I guess. Feza. I don't know how to pronounce it, but let's look at it here. Look at that. Oh, it's really shiny. That's pretty. It's 50% viscose, 50% cotton. So it's kind of like, it looks like it's like chain spun. No, it's not. It's plied. Okay, it's a plied yarn. Made in Turkey. Baby hand dyed by Feza or Feza, whatever that is. It is a DK weight, so it's a lightweight number 3. Machine wash, lay flat. So 220 meters, 240 yards. So 240 yards of this. Now, these run, normally they're $10 a ball, but at Little Knits, they're $4.99 a ball, so half price. And that is really pretty when you look at it. Turn this light on for just a second. It's kind of got, like, if you do this, it looks like it's kind of tonal. A couple different colors of orange in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, that's really cool. It's got a little bit of light, and it's a tonal type of yarn. Very pretty. I like that. Feels good. Like, you know, I think this would make a nice shawl or top. And that's their DK. That's a lightweight 3. That's a pretty lightweight 3. Kind of like a mandala. It's okay though. I'm not a big fan of DKs, but trying to incorporate them more. So yes, I got this in the orange. Beautiful, isn't it? But they had a lot of pretty colors, and they still do. They're very pretty. So that orange one is called Sweet Orange. That's the name of it. And then, oh yeah, they are very tonal. I don't know if you can pick up on the tonal. You can, that green, you can really see the tonal in it. See the different colors of green in it? That's beautiful. This one is called Aqua. Very, very beautiful colors. And they come in these, well, I got little packages, but I bought enough to make a project with. And then, of course, I had to get a brown. The brown is called Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Oh, that's pretty. It's pretty, isn't it? See the different colors of browns in there? Gorgeous. I like the shine on that one. $5 a ball. You really can't beat it because, since it's half price from its original price there. I think what this yarns that are on Little Knits are yarns or colors that are going to be discontinued. So you get them, you find stores that do that, and then you get them at a discounted price, which is awesome. I don't mind getting, actually I like to look for yarns that are going to be discontinued, because that's when you can get the name brand yarns, such as like Noro and stuff, for a lot cheaper. Otherwise, I can't buy it usually. not often, anyways. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Now here's another one I got. Now I had opened this one time before, right? And when I opened it, they had a few colors of it, and then it sold out. And there was a brown that I wanted that I didn't get because it sold out real fast. And everybody really liked it. I think I had a purple and a blue, and I don't know, an aqua. They have and then I received an email from their, sometimes they're mailing us, and they sent out and said they actually got all the colors back in. So I went and bought the brown because the brown is my favorite color, and I had to get the brown. So it's Cascade Yarns Luminoso. It is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love the color of that. Brown is gorgeous. So if you're familiar with yarns, like it's chain spun, like Rockstar Yarn or Rock and Roll Yarn, or maybe Patton's Metallic, or any of those type of yarns, this is going to be similar to those type of yarns. Very, very pretty. I love the brown. It's soft too. Smells clean. I like the clean smelling yarn. All right. It's 52% viscose, 44% baby alpaca, and 4% merino. Made in Peru, hand wash, lay flat. 100 grams, 220 meters, or 240 yards. And it is a 4-weight yarn. Oh, it is so beautiful. It's like a brownish gold, I guess. That is gorgeous. And I love chain spun too yarns. It's very pretty. That is so pretty. So these are, you can buy these. They have all the colors at the making of this video right now available on their site. When they ran out, they got them back in, and I just had to get the brown. But they got a lot of pretty colors. You can buy these by the hank, or you can buy them by a 5-pack, and it's cheaper if you get them a little bit cheaper a hank if you buy them by the 5-pack. So originally they're $21 a hank. Yeah, $21 a hank originally. But Little Knits has them for $8.40 a hank. That's a killer deal. And if you buy them by the 5-pack, it is $36.75 for 5 of them. If you buy the 5-pack. Regular, $105. That's nice. That is such a discount. You should check out this. This stuff is so pretty, and it's so soft. And that the colors are so like metallic-y looking. If you like the metallic shine type of yarn, they have some really beautiful colors. But when I didn't get the brown last time, I was kind of disappointed. But then they had an email and so they got all the colors back in, and I went right over there and got that brown. So yes, I love that stuff. All right. Then they had this. I'm not going to be able to pronounce it at all, but I'll show it to you. Here we go. I'm not even going to try to, I'll butcher that. I'm sorry. Usually my husband, he is the one who pronounces things that I cannot pronounce because I'm not very good at pronouncing words. So this is called that brand. That's the brand that I've never had that brand before. But it's called Oxygen is what it is. And it's very pretty. Okay, so I'll read about it and I'll tell you what it says. Actually, it's probably easier if I just read it on their site instead of try to dig around on the label. It's a super soft multi-ply 100% cotton. Oh, that's a nice cotton. It kind of feels like a Mako cotton, like a microfibery cotton. Made in Italy. It says it feels and works up like a merino. And it says, that sounds strange, but wait till you work with it. Okay, it works up as a light worsted, so about a 3-weight. Yeah, that's well, yeah, in between a 3 and a 4. That's good. I like that. It does feel like a merino, really, but you know, you can kind of tell it's cotton, Mako cotton filling. Smells clean, clean. That's what I like. Okay, so it says you hand wash, lay flat, and it's made in Italy. 220 yards in each ball. It's a 50-gram ball. Normally they're $9.99, and Little Knits has them for $3.99 a ball. I don't know if they have a 10-pack of them. If it's cheaper, let's look and see. No, they don't. Or a 5-pack maybe? They don't. They might have at one time. I think actually they did have a 5-pack when I bought them, but they don't have them now. They only have the individuals for $3.99, which is a pretty good deal, I think. I liked it. Soft. Definitely make a great lightweight something. You could use this in the summer or the winter, depending on the stitch, I guess. You want to use probably you could use a closed or open stitch in the summer, in the winter too. I guess it doesn't matter. I would use it for either summer or winter. So I got that, and then I'm almost done because I don't want to make my video too long. I did get a bit of hand-dyed yarn, because I don't know. I know I shouldn't have done it, but I did. Okay. This is from, I like hand-dyed yarn a lot, I do, and I know this is a good brand of hand-dyed yarn. You know, I never own, I might have one hank of it, of this brand, actually here, but I got it because it was on sale, and believe it or not, it's even too lightweight for me to use. Well, it's so lightweight, it's not something I would generally buy, but it was so beautiful, I had to get it. So this is Madeline Tosh hand-dyed yarns. Madeline Tosh. Tosh Merino Light. 100% merino. It's a fingering weight. 420 yards or 384 meters. You can machine wash and lay flat to dry. It's so pretty. Hand-dyed in Texas from wools ethically sourced in South Africa. Okay. The color I have here is called Wild Dahlias. Isn't that pretty? Smells like wool. Clean wool. That is so pretty. You know, it says fingering. Now that is a lightweight yarn for me, but I'm gonna say it's a 2-weight, so maybe I can't. Why do I buy it if I can't use it? I buy it in the hopes that maybe I'll be able to use it, and if not, I buy it so I can look at it, so I can see it and touch it, and then eventually bless someone else with it. That's why I do it. I just like to look at it. I like to touch it and see how beautifully hand-dyed it is, knowing that I won't ever be able to use this lighter weight of yarn, but I still got it anyways. I know that seems dumb, doesn't it? It does. But I like to touch yarns and see yarns that I've never seen before, and if I can't use it, then I'll give it away in a giveaway to someone that can. So that's what I do with it. It's so pretty. So these are regular $26.50 a hank, and here at Little Knits they had a sale for $18.50. So it's Madeline Tosh hand-dyed yarns, and the brand of it is called One of a Kind Tosh Merino Light, and the color is called Wild Dahlias, like I said. Okay, and then that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How could I ever part with this one? Holy crud. This one is so pretty. Poppy Meadow is the color. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I might have to keep that just for the sake of keeping it and try my hardest to make something with it. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite so far. That is beautiful. Poppy Meadow. That is beautiful. I love that one. I love it. I love it. I like this. I like all of these. They're so pretty. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Autumn Forest. But these are all my colors. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. They have so many colors of this on there. It was so hard to choose, but I don't know. This one is gorgeous too. Oh, this, you guys watch Gary from Urban Yarns. This kind of reminds me of him, maybe a little bit. Marbled Woodland. I don't know, Gary, if you're watching, you like this one? I love it. I know I do. That is beautiful. Sometimes I get yarns that remind me of other people. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's some pretty hand-dyed yarns. And this one gonna remind me. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Dark Gothic Purple. Look at that. That is dark purple. That is so pretty. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Very pretty. Very pretty. This one's pretty too. They're all pretty. Maple Grove. Wow, look at that. Very pretty. Very pretty. And here is one more. Teal Lagoon. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. So, those are beautiful, but hands down that Poppy Fields is my favorite one of all. I have to keep this one. That is so beautiful. I don't know. These two might be close to second. Runner-ups for a second. And I don't know. I really like this dark purple a lot. I like them all. They're all very pretty. How could a mother choose? I can choose this one. That's my favorite. So that's it. That's all I got. I hope that you enjoyed me drooling over all of this yarn. Is very beautiful. All of it is very reasonably priced for what it is. I'm happy with all of it. I am. So thank everybody for watching. Hopefully I didn't disgust you drooling over my Poppy Field yarn here. I like that a lot, but I really do like my brown Luminoso too from Cascade. It's a good deal on that. I like all this yarn. So I'm going to go. Thanks, everybody. All right, I'll see you on my next video, okay? Bye, guys. Thanks for talking yarn with me, okay? You're the only ones I got.